Imagine if ChatGPT always responded like it already knew you, your grade level, your teaching style, and exactly what you expected. Well, that's what a master prompt does. In this video, I'll show you how to create one, where to save it, and how to keep it updated to unlock ChatGPT's full potential. A master prompt is basically your teaching profile. It tells ChatGPT, this is who I am, this is how I teach, and this is what I want my outputs to look like. Instead of repeating yourself every time, you paste in your master prompt once, and ChatGPT acts like your personal teaching assistant who really gets you. So here's the example of the master prompt that I use for my 4th grade classroom. I start by assigning its role. It's my teaching assistant. Then I throw in there my teaching philosophy, the core subjects I teach, items that I want it to identify when I'm having it help me with lesson planning, any particular things that I want it to follow when I'm doing, writing or communication for student comments, parent emails, progress reports, those types of things. It's really important too to have this part. You will not invent information. ChatGPT does have the ability to hallucinate and put things in there that you really don't want or that you haven't even told it to do. So put that in there. You won't get that problem. Tone, style, formatting, and length. Its collaboration role is my thinking partner, my expectations for output, the tone and style that I want it to use. So all of that goes into a master prompt. Now, don't worry about writing all of that from scratch. I've put 2 links in the description. One is for my full master prompt, the exact one I use every day, and the other is a template that you can copy and customize for your own classroom. That way, you can start fast and tweak it as you go. So here's something really important. A master prompt is a living document. You don't have to make it perfect the first time. If you realize you'd like ChatGPT to help you with something new, just go back and add it. For example, I might want to tell ChatGPT something about student privacy. I'll just add it to the bottom of my current master prompt. I will never share personal or identifying information about any student. All names and examples are either fictional or limited to first names for instructional use only. Next, let's save it. I keep my master prompt in a folder that I call My Classroom, and you'll see it here as the first one. I've copied it from Word, and I have pasted it into this conversation. And so everything that we just looked at is in this master prompt, and I've saved it into my folder. The reason I do this is because I use ChatGPT for more than just my school. I also use it for content creation, for professional development, so it plays different roles for me. By putting it in this project folder, I can keep all of my classroom-related chats separate, and that ChatGPT knows to act like my teaching assistant whenever I am in this space. But if you're only planning on using ChatGPT for a singular role, the best place to keep your master prompt is actually in your settings. Here's how. So click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Then in the personalization area, under custom instructions, this right here is where you will paste your master prompt. So right here, if you're only using it for one role, this is the area what you would like ChatGPT to know about you, paste it into there and it will do this exact same thing. But if you'll notice, I have a master prompt for my classroom. I have one for any work that I'm doing with YouTube videos. I have one that I'm doing for AI training, master prompts. So I have a master prompt for the different roles that I use ChatGPT for. So that's it. Create your master prompt, save it to a project folder, or simply add it to your settings. And remember, it's a living document. Any time you think of a new way ChatGPT can support you, just add it in. Don't forget, check the links in your description. You'll find both my full master prompt and a template that you can copy, paste, and customize for your own classroom. And before you go, drop me a comment with what you've added to your master prompt. I'd love to see your ideas. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next videos. I've got a lot more time-saving tips for teachers coming your way. I'll see you next time.